Shona tradition of paying lobola. Welcome to my channel. Today, we dive into the Shona tradition of paying lobola, beautiful custom with deep roots and evolving challenges. Lobola, or a bride price, is a cherished tradition in Shona culture, symbolizing the union of two families. It's a time-honored practice where the groom's family offers gifts and money to the bride's family, marking respect and commitment. But today, some parents are turning this tradition into a money-making mechanism, losing sight of its true meaning. Instead of fostering unity, excessive demands are placing heavy burdens on young couples, turning love into a transaction. A wise elder usually intervenes, speaking passionately to both families, trying to restore the traditional values of lobola. However, the wisdom of our elders reminds us that lobola is about unity, respect, and building bonds, not greed. In the end, families come together in harmony, smiling and celebrating, with the elders' words having restored the balance. Let's honor the true spirit of lobola by focusing on what truly matters: love and family unity. In the end, we see the couple happily married, surrounded by both families, and the elder smiling approvingly. Subscribe to my channel for more stories that keep our traditions alive and meaningful.